Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the correct Lazada marketplace and that you meet basic eligibility, age, ID, and any local business registration. Once done, gather your bank details, tax ID, product images, and concise SKU list so you can complete forms without stopping. Make sure you choose between signing up as an individual seller or applying for an official store. That decision affects fees and verification. Begin the registration flow now and keep those documents at hand to prevent delays. You will now complete the account setup, submit verification documents, enable two-factor authentication, and wait for KYC approval, which can take hours to days. Once active, create listings with optimized titles, clear bullet descriptions, and 5/8 high-quality photos. Include weight and dimensions for logistics. Then set competitive pricing, shipping methods, return terms, and link promotions or vouchers. Make sure to enable merchant tools like sponsored ads if available, because visibility drives affiliate conversions and sales. You finish by activating the store and performing a test purchase to confirm payment settlement and shipping routing. This validates tracking and customer notifications. Once live, monitor analytics daily, impressions, click-through rates, conversions, and cancellations to optimize product pages and pricing. If problems arise, troubleshoot by updating listings, checking inventory sync, uploading verification documents, and contacting Lazada seller support with screenshots. One key tip: always document error messages and timelines.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.